Good evening, sir.
Chandra Prakash,
Yes, sir.
क्या हुआ? Only 2 people are there.
Yes, sir. वो थोड़ा अभी स्टार्ट हुआ है सर, तो आ रहे हैं, धीरे धीरे आ जाएंगे.
ठीक है.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Adi.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Yeah, I think again other batch people are joining, I guess.
Sir, it's me, sir, Praveen, sir.
Batches. Hello.
Ready? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, I see some other names like Ronak Malik,
Yes, sir. Ganga Reddy and
Ganga Reddy. So
They
you
are
are
getting
from which
confused, I
batch?
believe so.
We are from Bhava batch.
Yeah, only that link is working for you.
Yes.
Okay. Could you cross check once?
Okay.
Shiva Prasad, you are from which batch?
Yes, sir.
Which batch? Shiva Prasad.
I am from Baba Bhai, sir. Sir, why other batch students are joining? Are you meeting?
I can
class
show.
today? Okay.
Guys, Baba batch people, I think they have separately posted for you link, right?
We didn't get till now.
At your announcement.
ये announcement में रहता.
There is only announcement only for your link, Manish ma'am.
Okay.
Sir, teach them also React, sir.
Yes, sir.
How many people are there in our batch? Ravana and Shiva Prasad.
In Bhava batch total almost 30 people.
Okay. How many people will join regularly?
Regularly 28, 29.
सर 23 थे कब?
No.
अरे यार, again these people are joining. Wait. So Baba batch people, you will be having a separate link in your announcement. Please check that once. Hello. Hello. Baba batch people, Ashwati, Noona Pradeep, और कौन है इधर?
There are lots of some 5-6 people are there.
So I'm removing you guys. Sorry. Abhilek Sharma is our batch only, no? Guys, make it fast.
Yes, sir.
Batch.
Abhishek,
Vivekanand batch.
Abhishek, yes, you are not from our batch, right?
No, I don't think so, sir. He's not from our batch. They're joining again, sir. Back.
Yeah, they're again joining.
They're getting confused.
Okay, so yeah, this is React class for Ambedkar and Vivekananda batch. Okay, I will cross check it then. Wait. Abhishek, see all Baba batch people in your announcement session, you have a separate link. Please check that once. This class is for Vivekananda and Ambedkar batch. Hello. Okay, let these people there. So, guys, both Ambedkar and Vivekananda batch received the notification, right?
Yes, sir.
And both people are there here. Hello. Ambedkar batch से है कोई?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
विवेकानंद बैच से?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Can we start the
हेलो
class?
अभी इसमें तुम काहे इतना कूद रहे हो?
Sorry.
ये
So you got unmuted by miss, I guess, sir.
किसान के पास है।
So can we start the class?
Yes, sir.
There are so many people.
They are adding on, sir.
Yeah, Mega. Hello. No, these people are saying still we are joining the same batch. 4 to 5 people are there in my batch still. Okay, fine. Yeah. One second, guys. So, how many people are following geopolitics?
Which politics, sir?
Global politics.
I follow, sir.
Hello.
Sir, about World War.
Yeah. World War start nahi hua, bhai. Don't pray for that.
That Ukraine issue, sir.
Yeah.
What happened?
Wait one second. Let me post that link for these people.
I think there are some issues happening between Ukraine and Russia.
Guys,
So
so
we
to
go on.
everyone, I have sent one link. This is for Jajit Sar's link. Okay. Jajit lecture link. Okay. Please join over there. Every Baba batch people, please join from there. Okay. I have announced it. Okay, guys.
Which batch, sir?
That is for Baba batch.
Bhava, sir.
Baba? Which Baba?
Bhava batch.
Baba.
Bhava.
Homi Jahangir Baba.
Not Baba. Bhava.
Yeah, Baba. Homi Baba.
Like Dera Baba.
Okay, guys, still I can see the people. Your lecture is already started, guys.
They're not
Baba
putting
batch
it in the
people.
announcement for them, sir. The same link what you shared now.
Yeah, I kept it in chat window so that these people can leave. Okay, I think people are leaving, right? Yeah, they have left. Ashwati VK. Okay, let them be. Let them taste the react.
Correct,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay, so actually today I thought to give complete class for this life cycle based components, life cycle methods, but due to the time restrictions over here and at the same time, some of the topics are pending from previous class. So we will touch only minute parts of component life cycle, only 3 or 4 methods as of now, and rest of the things we'll be touching in the next class. Okay, but today's agenda will be we have done lifting of the state yesterday, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We will do one mini project which will be trying to create some post and update that post dynamically. Okay. So the agenda of today's lecture is like first we will go with some mini Chota project which will be trying to update our post or product dynamically, which is similar to the lifting up state which we have done yesterday. There we will also handle something related to forms also. Okay, and after that we'll be discussing something called conditional rendering. Conditional rendering is already touched for you as a part of curriculum. I will be touching those things once again. Okay, just to remind you how we can use for loop, if loop, and if else loop in our entire React JS. Okay, after that we will be discussing about how we can use list and keys. List has been already discussed with you by going with these maps and all those things. If you observe, you will be getting some error while using the list. To solve how we can solve that one, we will be discussing that also. Okay, and we will be having introduction to our life cycle methods, and we will be discussing basic life cycle methods today, and we will extend our class to tomorrow. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So today's assignment, how many people have seen it?
Not yet, sir.
Not yet. Okay. 1 second. Okay, let the project be created. Okay. So no other batch people are there, right? This I'm confusing with this person. Aswati VK, can you hear me? Hello.
Sir, Aryan Malika also is there. He's new
No,
to our
Aryan Malik is from our
No, he's
batch.
from our batch.
It's our batch. He is from.
Yes, Praveen, from last month or 2 months is there.
Okay, I haven't seen before.
Okay. Let it be. So let us revise why we are using the lifting up of states. Can anyone say? Fast. We'll finish this project in 20 minutes itself. Okay.
So, what is your question, sir?
What is lifting up of state? We have already discussed that.
So if you want to pass data between two components which aren't directly related, we use this like sibling components.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'm getting call from attendant.
Pass data between sibling components using single source of truth.
Parent.
Yeah, sorry guys. Okay, so now yeah, lifting up of state, fast. Why we use lifting up of states and how we can implement that one?
Pass data between two components which aren't directly related to each other, so like sibling components.
Okay. So basically, lifting up of state is nothing but passing the data from child component to parent component, and we will be making parent component or the nearest common component to the siblings as a single source of truth, so that they can share the dynamically changing data between the siblings, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So project is still not down. So this notes they have given for you. Have you getting any notes?
No, sir.
Sir, actually, that when we click on that link reading material, it is not loading or it is not showing anything.
Okay, I'll check with them. That
It is
okay.
happening with others also, guys.
Yeah, sir. Reading material is not available, and also the homework which is solved, that is also not uploaded. Solutions.
Okay, generally they will solve the solutions and give it to you.
After
Yes,
2-3 days they solve, sir, but for the back end they have not made for anything. It's pending.
For backend, we haven't received any solution.
Anything, yeah. Sir.
And TA sessions also they are not conducting, sir, since many days.
Which one?
TA sessions, doubt solving sessions, like 6 to 7 will be having regularly.
When you will be having?
6 o'clock
Daily
or
we will be
6:30.
having. Previous.
Okay, I'll update
previous
it.
year. Yes, sir. I will also raise a ticket, sir.
Okay, raise 2 tickets.
But when they ask, they say that no one.
Notes have not been uploaded from
updated,
just
yeah.
from past 3 days, so
Bro, even if we are join or we are not joining, that is their responsibility to conduct. Even one student is available to join, either he can benefit.
Yeah,
That
Praveen,
way
even I
you,
asked that, but they are saying something like that. I don't know what.
in that way, the only interested student can approach the respective instructor so that the instructor can conduct.
that will be a mentor thing, no? Not everyone has that offer.
No, the one who is taking for everyone, if no one is attending, there would be no point of wasting their time. So if the one who is interested could contact them before itself.
We cannot contact. No, that is the problem.
Where is their contact number?
We cannot
We can
contact.
contact if we get,
We don't have the contact. I asked them. They're not giving.
but we can get.
Okay, tomorrow I will call to Monica.
Yeah, you can confirm it.
Okay.
All the best, Praveen.
Okay, bro.
Sir, you told we would be doing our projects using one app only because it is taking too much of time to create another React app.
Yeah, because the reason, I want to push this course in GitHub, right? So you will be getting confused which data I use which one.
Yes, sir. It is like if you were creating any project today and you push it into the GitHub, and the next day you can remove them. So it would be already in the GitHub.
That is also correct only. Okay, so at least for initial practice, slowly we can go in the. But based on the curriculum they have given to us, no, we are already in advanced one class itself.
Okay, sir.
So you said you will say some online compiler for React, so
Hey, directly you can get it, man. There is no need of saying. But why need of online compiler?
some people's system were not supporting.
Yes, sir. It is
so
taking late to get started.
Yeah, I think directly you can get those things, man.
Okay, sir. Like you showed us stack bits for Angular.
So code sandbox.
Code sandbox yes. ये code sandbox देखो ये अच्छा रहता है. But you cannot store them locally, right? That is a huge disadvantage. अरे यार इतना टाइम क्यों ले रही हो? Okay, so it has been updated. Let us go. So the agenda of my project today is I will be having some post like social media post. Okay, so that post I can, if I add the post, it will be dynamically listed in the list of items. Okay, and at the same time I will be displaying the number of posts. So what I will do, I will be having one parent component which is an app component. Okay, and I will be having the three sibling components. One is counting the total number of posts, and one is listing the total number of posts, and another one is adding the new post. Okay, clear?
Okay, sir.
So let us do that. Open folder. So I will try to cover these things also, conditional rendering and the list and keys in the same project itself. Okay. Okay, so you people has to guide me what I have to do. Okay, I'm in the
Yes, sir.
project. Okay, first and foremost thing is I'll be using existing app component as a parent component. So I have to create remaining three components, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I
Count.
create post.js for post component. Okay. I'll create a new post component. Post.js component. Okay. Next, post.js component. Okay. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in app.js, what I will do? Oh my God. Okay. I'll import React here.
Small I, sir.
Okay. Now I'll import. I'll keep react.fragment, react.fragment, and I will import all the components over it. Okay. First I will try to display the count post. Where these things are created. It should have automatically detected. So next we have post component. Okay, and we have new post component, right?
So where are they getting automatically imported, sir?
Maybe VS Code issue.
Okay, sir.
Import post. Okay. Right. Sorry. Post.
Sir, count post is done. Post.
Sorry. This is okay. Okay. So this one has been done. Now first and foremost thing is I will keep a single state. I said, so where should I keep my products? Sorry, post. All this count post which are displaying new post, all those things are the sibling components and they are child of app component. So where should I create my product, my post?
In the parent itself, sir.
So
App
I
only,
can
sir.
create my app.js, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I can create a state and I can create it, right?
Yes, sir.
Post, okay. Post, comma, post is equal to
In-
Use state.
I can use React or use state also. Okay. Use state and let me create a array of post over. Okay. First is post one. Okay. Then is post two. Okay. Next is post. Let me input use state. Okay, so we have created a post, okay, and we have created a state of post which we passed array of initial post as three posts, post one, post two, post three, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what is the next step over here to display this post? What I have to do?
We have to pass it to the post, sir.
We have to pass it to the post, right? So how we can pass the
Props as this one. What do you say? Attributes.
post equal to post, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So next, what can I do? I can go to
Go
the
to post and collect it as arguments.
React. Post. Okay. I'm using the class-based components. Okay. Oops. Okay. Post. Called. Right. So first and foremost
Yes,
thing,
sir.
I'll see in written statement whether I'm getting those things or not.
Props dot post.
How can I check that one?
Props dot post, sir.
Dot post. Right. So let me see it in the browser. Nothing is that bad. Line number 15, app.js. Let me create boilerplate for all those things. Okay. Also,
Export default count post.
set this. Let me write return. Similarly, we have new post. Okay. React.
Post.
Return join. Okay, so we are able to see. So the reason why we are getting, no, we are exporting some function, but that is not there. No, that is the reason we are getting that. Okay, now I'll go to app.js. Okay, let me have
Sir, in the
one.
console, are we getting the post, sir?
We will get that. Definitely. We'll see it. Control X. Okay. I equal to. Okay, so we'll check in the console. Okay, we are receiving the post, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now what I will do here. So what should I do in count post? I'll remove this one. Okay. Okay, and inside the list, JSX over here. Okay, I can do props dot post, right? Sorry, this is count post, no?
We should find the length, no, sir?
Yeah, we should go here. So here, okay, what should I return is tag, okay, and inside that I will use this JSX, okay. I'll iterate over props dot post
Dot map.
dot map, okay. Inside the map, I will be having individual post,
P.
okay, and here, okay, I'll try to display that post, right?
Yes, sir.
Right?
P. Sir, P insert some tags, sir. No need, sir. Oh, no. Sir, it is just UL, no, sir. We are not giving LI element, no, sir.
Right? So now you can see, right? Post 1, post 2, post 3, right?
Yes, sir.
What happened to that? That has kept somewhere.
If we put this inside a div, sir.
X. It's like that only, man. Here we have done like this, no? Now, which one? What can I do? So I'm able to successfully able to use the post, right? So to show the count of the post, what should I do? I should go
First,
over
we need
here.
to pass the
Again, I have to pass the post,
post.
right?
Yes, sir.
Again, I come here. What will I do?
Props.
Total number of is props dot, right?
Post dot length.
Props dot right. We can see, right, total number of post 1, post and post, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So what is the next thing I have to do? I have to go to the new post. Okay. Here I have to create some form which will be taking some input, right? And whenever I click that form, it should be updated, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So for that, what I have to do first?
First, we have to create a form in new post input.
For that, what I will do? Delete h1 tag. Okay. Next. Should be there in the React fragment, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rolex. Okay. So inside the form, generally we'll be having the form submit, right?
Submit event. Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll be having some function for that.
Function.
Okay. And we will create that method over here. Okay. Okay. Event. Okay. Event dot
Target.
prevent
Oh, prevent default.
default. Okay. Event default. Guys, no one is sleeping, right?
No, sir. So first we need to pass the post, no, sir, to the new post, as we need to append it in the
No need.
array.
Just see, no one is sleeping, right? This is previous example only. Okay, don't worry.
Not sleeping.
sir.
Sir.
Okay. So let it be like that. First, I will create some input elements over here. Okay. Good. Okay. To text. Okay. And I will keep an ID to it. As a post, so that I can identify this element. Okay. For form, we should have button, right? To submit, right?
Yes, sir.
Submit. Okay. And we can choose type as submit. Okay. Type as submit form. So we completed our form part. Okay. Let us see whether we are able to see that or not. Okay. We are successfully able to see that, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now what we have to do, first and foremost thing is like we will console the whatever we are getting. Okay. Okay.
Event dot target dot value.
Target dot, what should I type here?
Value.
No, it is element, right? Because I'm submitting the form and it will be having elements. Okay, if it is an on change event or any individual event related to some elements, I could have used value. Okay. Okay, elements dot. Okay, I should. How can I identify that element? I give an ID, right? Post ID, right? Yes.
Okay, sir.
Dot value. Clear this one, everyone? See, generally, if it is an individual element, we could have used event dot target dot value. Okay, but this is a form and it has some elements, right? And we are submitting from the form. Okay. So event dot target dot elements dot what is the element and that value. Okay.
Sir, can't we use form instead of elements?
You are saying form dot
Yes, sir.
target dot form.
Yes, sir. Event.target.form dot post.
We can use that. We'll try that also.
Okay, sir.
So we are able to see that console state, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So you are saying me to replace the elements with form, right?
Yes, sir.
Try this. I think it's getting error.
Okay, sir.
I think we cannot try. Okay, so this part has been done, so we can successfully change this. So now you have to say me what I have to do so that I can update this directly over there.
We have to store this value, sir, first in a variable,
Okay.
so that we can return it to the post and it can be appended in that array.
No, I didn't get it.
We need to add this new post in the existing post array, no, sir.
Yeah.
So we need to collect the value and store it somewhere, no, sir, so that we can pass it to the post later.
So how
New
can we pass that?
props.
We can use props, but what have to pass that in props?
The new post value. Otherwise, in new post we can pass post, sir.
No, if you pass the post, only post will be changing. No. See, if I pass post, does it has ability to change? No, right?
No, sir, no.
We will be passing only value, but how can we change the post? By passing the set post, right?
Post.
We have discussed this.
Yes, sir.
yesterday, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Post is equal to set post. Okay. See, this is related to this one. This can be any word. Okay. To avoid confusion, I have kept it like this. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I can come to new post.js and I can update the state, right? Yes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what I will do is submit handle, right? Here what I will do is you can pass props to this, right? We are getting props now. Props. Okay. Now what I will do? Props dot set post, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will take previous post from here. I will explain what I am writing. Don't worry. Okay. And I will embed it with the operator over here, and I will pass the new post. Dot target dot elements dot post dot. Okay. So here what I am doing is, see, what I passed as a props over here, set post I passed as a props, right? So by using this set props only, I can update my props, right? Yes or no? Right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Guys, today I'm seeing very less count. Okay, let it be. So here for set post, I can change it, but my intention is not to change the post, to append the post, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
for an argument, this previous post, it will give the previous arguments for us. I can use this syntax over here, and I can use spread operator, okay, to spread all the previous post over here, and I can combine it with the new element, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? Clear? Let us see whether it's working or not. Okay. Right? It's working, right? Now, if you see, our total number of posts is updated, and at the same time, our post is also updated, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's clear. Lifting up the state and this mini
Yes.
one.
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
You want me to do some CSS for this?
No need,
No need,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, guys. I'm very happy.
Mhm.
Okay. So, yeah, now coming to my previous question, why less people are there today? Srikanth Reddy is missing.
There may be few of them
Rohit
saw
is
that
missing.
today's interview session and
Ankit,
left, sir.
you join slowly. Ankit. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, some good people are missing. Okay. I think they didn't went to
Sir, I'm
war.
there, sir.
in Ukraine. Okay, so it's updating as we have expected. Okay, now next my intention over here is to discuss something deep here. Okay, now we are pretty clear, like we got whatever we want, so we are able to successfully utilize the states, props, how we can play with this all these things, and how we can use our previous states, and how we can handle our form submissions. So everything is pretty clear, right? Yes, guys.
Yes, sir, but can you explain the code once again for 5 minutes? Briefly.
So we have app.js over here, right? Right. So
Yes,
I
sir.
kept single source of truth so that I kept post state in my app.js. Okay. Initially, I initialized it with post 1, 2, 3, and have created a variable for this post, and I created a function which can alter this post, right?
Yes.
I mean, Praveen,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
don't mute yourself. Okay, so now I use the react.fragment over here, okay, to embed all these things. So I created 3 child components: count post, post, and new post. Okay, for count post I am passing this post as a props. Okay, and for post also I am passing the existing post which are our state as a props. But for new post I am passing the set post function which can change our post as a prop. Okay, clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
And if I come to count post, I'm using that props and displaying the length. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and if I come to the post, I'm getting that props and I'm displaying it through the list, right?
Yes, sir.
And when I come to new post, what I have done over here, I created one form. For on submit, I created one handler, I created input, and I created button for submission. Okay, in submit handler, what I have done, I have created this submit handler function. I am taking the event. I took this set post which can change the state of our post from the props. Okay, from here I'm getting my previous post. Okay, and I'm creating a new array which will be, okay, spreading the previous elements and adding the new value which I am going to add in my post. Okay, this previous post is there now, it can be anything, whatever you want you can give, but it will hold our previous state values. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me try one. Now I will answer your that question. So you people have said to me one, right? Why I am using event.prevent.default, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
I think I gave theoretical explanation for that, but you might not be satisfied with that one, right? But if you remember that one, what I said, all events which we are using in React, they are synthetic events and they are just wrapped over the DOM elements. Okay, so DOM elements sometimes they will be having some default behavior. So to stop the default behavior, we will be using this event.prevent default, right? Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I said one example. For example, if you submit some DOM event by using form, it will be automatically refreshed. Okay. See, if I do like this and I say if I am not using this post one, see it is automatically refreshing, right? Yes. 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 Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if I remove this this comment and I use this event.prevent.default, now it is not using. Right? It is not refreshing, right?
Yes, sir.
Got it? Why we are using that event.prevent default?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is clear for everyone. Okay. Now we'll discuss one more. Okay. Now we have app dot. Okay. Now we have app.js, right? Okay. So writing like this. Okay. Writing post like this, we can avoid. Okay. Instead of this, what we can write is. Okay. You can remove all those things. Okay. And you can pass this one over here. Okay. Okay. Now it's working as expected, right? No issue, right? Right. So it is a shortcut way of writing the our components. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So generally, VS Code will automatically get that one. Okay. But if you, I think sometimes you might be seeing examples like this also, no? Right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So sometimes you might see the examples. That's the reason I explain this one. Okay. Okay. Now this thing has been completed, and now let us go over here. Okay. Okay. Let me refresh my. Guys, I was on mute. Sorry. So whenever I am refreshing my page and I am using the app, okay, I am getting this error, right? Yes. Whenever I am using the maps throughout my journey, I got this error, right? Am I audible?
Didn't notice, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, my voice is clear or not first?
Clear, sir.
Okay, so every time we are getting error, even in our previous examples also we got such kind of errors, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the reason this one is, okay. Can you read that for me? What is that?
Actually, DOM require a new key for identify the.
Yeah, yes. So what it is saying, each child in list should have a unique key prop, right? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you repeat once, sir? What you said?
Guys, you are very silent today. I will close the class. Okay. See, every time I refresh my page like this and I use something related to map and list, I'm getting this error, right? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in
Yes.
our previous examples also, we are getting this error. Okay, I expected someone at least to ask this error, but no one has asked so far. Okay, so now if you read this thing, each child in a list should have a unique key prop. What it is saying, we are using the list, right? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So for every list we are using, it should have a unique key. The reason is, okay, we are displaying our list of items, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So even that list of items are also something elements in our DOM, right? Yes.
Yes.
So in React, it is unable to identify the children DOM. Okay. So we are having something over there, but that doesn't have any ID or something like that. That is the reason we are getting this error. Okay. Got my point?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The index
Yes,
values won't support it, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So these keys will be helping us to identify the items which are changed, items which are added, or the items which are removed. Okay, so that it can update it to the virtual DOM, it can do the diffing process and reconciliation process. Okay, see, for example, we have listed over here post 1, post 2, post 3. Okay, it having this 0 post 1, 0 post 2, 0 2 post 3, but it don't have any unique identifier in terms of React, right? In terms of HTML element, right? Yes.
Yes.
See, if you see over here, where is that thing? Yeah, here. If you see in the list, we don't have any unique identifier. Just we are repeating our list over here, and we are just changing which is there in our JSX. But you are not identifying our list as a unique one here, right? List 1, list 2, list 2, they might be different, but you are just changing that value, but you are not updating the updating uniquely this list, right? So these keys will be helping us to identify the items that are changed, items that are added newly, or items that are deleted from our list inside a DOM. Okay, clear? Hello.
Yes, sir. Clear,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me resolve that error. Okay, so I can say key equal to, okay, so what can I use over here? See,
Like we can use
we can
index,
use,
ID
index or unique number.
yeah, any unique number we can use. So I will keep math dot and right. Yes.
Yes.
Yes or no? Okay. Let me see. Still I am getting that error. See, now you see that error is vanished, right? Yes.
Yes.
See, no error, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
behind the scenes, what it is doing is a unique random number is generated and it is assigned to the key. Okay, got it? And it will uniquely identify this entire list element. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And one more thing, instead of math.random, you can also use index.
Yes, sir. P comma index.
Okay, so this will also remove our error. Okay, but there is issue with this index. Okay, it will be having some performance issues. Okay, got it? Hello.
Yes,
Not
sir.
understand, sir.
Yes, sir.
It will affect the performance, guys, if you use that index directly over there, no? Because the index is something like which you are iterating or creating in our map itself, right? Yes.
Yes. Yes.
So it will cause some additional computation, right?
Right.
So for 2 or 3 list, it is fine. If you have 1 lakh of list, it will affect the performance. Okay.
Right.
Okay. So generally, it is suggestible to have a one string for the key. Okay. Okay.
sir,
Yes,
if we
sir.
are using math.random, there is a chance that the number can also repeat, right, sir?
It can also repeat. So what we can do is you can create array of products which is having ID. Okay. Generally, this key is there. No. Behind the scenes, the intention of it is to map with an ID of the object. Okay.
Okay,
You'll be
sir.
having product ID, post ID,
Yes,
book
sir.
ID, something like that, right?
Yes, sir.
You can map it with that one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So 1 second. So far everything is clear. Mastan, Noel,
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Naveen Jain, Praveen,
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Uday, Ankit,
Yes, sir.
Viresh, Naresh, Chandraprakash. Okay, I think no one
Yes,
else.
sir. Understood, sir. Clear.
Okay, so let me create one MCQ. Okay, and we will go to the next topic. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, answer this, guys.
Done, sir.
Okay, guys. So let us go to the next topic. Okay. So next topic which I am discussing now, it is called conditional rendering. Directly or indirectly, in most of the cases, I have already used that. Okay. Using how we can use if and all those things. Okay. Just for the sake of curriculum, I will repeat that. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's just a practice one. Okay. Uh, So my intention over here is to explain you about the operator, especially if operator, if else operator. Okay, so there is no way if we cannot use for if and if else. Can you write any programming language or any logic? Hello.
No, sir, we require, sir.
No, right? We cannot write that, right? Because that those are the basics for any iterations, right? Iterations and conditions, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we already discussed how we can write for loop, right? Or iteration. How we can do that in React, in JSX especially?
Map, sir.
Through maps. So you are very pretty clear in that, and you also solve the error which a new starters can be experienced, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, oh, yeah, 1 second. I think I have to say something. So let me create a two components. Based on the condition, I will render that components. Okay.
So screen not shared, sir.
Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So let me create a what can I create? So we'll do one thing. Okay. Uh, we have our existing app.js, right? Yes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
In a typical social media application, anyone can see the number of posts and posts which are listing, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But only a logged in user can see the can able to add the new post, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. So we'll check that one how we can do it. Okay.
Yes,
Can
Okay,
you check
sir.
that? Okay. So first, okay, logged in. Login. Okay. Equal to use state, and I keep this as a initially as a box. Okay. So now how I can pass this one over here for this? So just directly I can pass like this, right? Is logged in is equal to logged, right? Yes. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So I'll go to the new post over here. Okay. I'll create a two things. Okay. Yeah. If so I can get it from props, right? Props dot is okay. If it is logged in, and go for this. Okay. Clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Else
Else you will return
I return
some message like
is login first. Right? Yes. Can I see?
Yes, sir.
So by default they are set to the login false. So that is the reason we are getting please login first, right? Yes.
yes.
If you
Yes.
see over here in app.js, initial condition, I kept it logged in as a false. Okay, if I change it to true, right? Now you can see this, right? I can see
Yes.
this,
Yes, sir.
right? And even I can add the post, right? So my intention over here is to explain you about the conditional rendering and how we can effectively use that one. Okay, got it? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here based on the condition which we are sending over here, we are rendering that one in our new post, right? Yes. See, we have two returns. Okay, one return, one is rendering based on his logged in status is true, and one is rendering whether it is false, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
But
sir.
sir, I think why we are using two return? We can use one return and we can have a condition inside return.
Yeah, we can have that. Yeah, I'm coming to this. That one. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have to explain step by step. No.
Okay. Yes, sir. Great.
Okay. So now, what is the other way we can do? So whenever a user is not logged in, simply, okay, we can use JSX over here, right? Yes. And we can keep what we can keep is logged in and right? Yes. Yes or no? So if you see directly, it will disappear in this case. If we change this to false, okay, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is a one way of writing. Okay. I will say how we can optimize it a better way. Okay. Now let us remove this. See, I am explaining all the possible condition of this rendering and how can you if and all those things. Okay, so that you will be having much flexibility in writing a program. Okay, so now as Naresh said, there is no need of two statements for me. Okay, simply I can remove this one. Okay, even I can remove our if this if block also. Okay, so what I will do here. Okay, so for this form I will add a JSX. Okay, not for the form, let me create a div. Okay, and let me copy all these elements. Okay, and here what I will do, what can I do over here for this div? Okay, I can put this entire div in JSX, right? Yes, right, and I'll check for props dot is logged in, right?
And
Right. So we change that to false. Yeah, we change it to false. Right.
yes, sir.
So it's working, right? Right.
Yes, sir.
So this is how we can even conditionally render the div. Okay. So where is that one? Yeah. So again, what we will do? It is like this, and we can write another one div. Okay. Dot logged in, and I will check it for the other condition, null false condition. Okay. So then what I will type is I will type h1 is first. Right? Yes. So it will be
Yes, sir.
working as it is because it is true only. Now I come to app.js and I will change this to false. Right? Yes.
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
Yes, sir.
So Naresh, this is what you meant to say, right?
Yes,
Ternary
exactly.
operator से भी use कर
Yeah.
सकते हैं ना?
That is next one. Wait. Okay. So next, there is another way of doing also. Okay. I'll remove this complete thing over here. Okay. Okay. Let it be like this. Okay. No issue and no authentication is there. Okay. Now I'll come to app.js. Okay. Here, where is the here on, no? So it is false, right? So what I will do is instead of passing this as a props over here, okay, instead of passing this as a props over here, I will create if else condition here itself. Okay, so how can I use? I can use ternary operator, right? You remember ternary operator?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you people have to say me how I have to do it. First and foremost thing is my condition, right? What is my condition? Is logged in, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Next, what I have to write?
Question mark.
Sir,
Question mark.
curly brackets, sir.
Okay.
Question mark.
Next.
Then, sir, if condition. मतलब if statement.
Okay. Next.
No, sir, colon.
Double dot.
Colon.
Double dot. Yes, sir.
Next.
इसमें से कोई
Another
आप
else
पास कर सकते
condition.
हैं.
Sir, else condition. Else statement.
Please log in first. We have to use
All this
JSX.
things should be included in
Curly
the
brackets, sir.
yes, right? Right? Can you check
Yeah.
this?
Yeah.
So we can see please log in first. And here if I say change to True. Right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is all about conditional rendering. Okay.
Cool.
Yes, sir.
So,
Sir,
Sir,
yes.
sir,
Good.
can we set the on the button of true and false?
We can do that one also. You're saying like if I click one button, it should log in, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we can do similarly, no?
सर यहाँ पे हम चेंज सर यहाँ पे ट्रू फॉल्स करें, हम ऐसा करें कि दोनों कंडीशन हो, हम लॉगिन और फॉल्स दोनों जा सकें वो
I said it set. You want me to keep one button, and when I toggle, it should log in, right?
yes,
yes,
sir,
yes,
we
sir.
should make login.
So here I can pass this set login, right? Or we can write that button here. Oh, but that is not correct. We have to pass it here. Okay, set login, and I pass set login. Okay, and where is this new post? Okay, it is also receiving that one also, right? So outside that I will be having one button. Okay, I'll name this as a login. Okay, it will be displayed. Okay, it will be displayed only when props dot is logged in. Okay, is logged in is false, right? What happened here? Okay, so whenever we are not logged in, no, we'll be seeing this message. Okay, you come to new post. Okay, there is app.js. Okay, and I'll remove this condition. You don't want ternary operator, no? Okay, and I pass is logged in. Okay, now it is true, it is there like that. So now I change it to false. Okay, we see the login button, right? So where is this thing? I'll come to the new post over here. For this also, I'll keep that condition. Okay, what condition is logged in, and I'll change this to and. I'll keep this. I have to keep this in for the form, right? No, for okay. Here, Control X, Control V. Yeah, right? Okay. Now if you see, my condition has been set to false. Okay, that's the reason I'm seeing the login button, right? Yes. Okay. If I set it to true, right, I will see this one. Okay. Now I implement toggle function in my new post so that it will be automatically updated. Okay. Create a login handler. Okay, and I come to here. Okay, I pass that set login now, right? Const login to okay. What can I do? Event dot default. Okay, next. Okay, here I will change the to is no, right? Yes. Okay. Right. Now. Okay, so now where is this thing? App.js and I'll change it to. Okay. Now if I see my application, it is there. Please log in first. If I log in, I can see this one, right? Yes. Clear?
Yes. So
Yes, sir.
Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
So you can data pass data.
I think Kumar, you are what?
Yes,
You
sir.
kept grudge on me like when I required all those things in project. Now you are repairing it, right? Right?
चेक करना चाहिए काम कर रहा है कि नहीं सर.
Okay. So clear, right? Okay, that's a good question so that people have understood how they can. Okay. So now everything is clear, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have completed so many things as of now. Okay, conditional rendering lists and keys, JSX, states, props, listing of states. Okay, yeah, all the handling the events, what is the event default, and how to handle the forms, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll go to some of the advanced things like life cycle methods with the class-based components. Can we try that?
Yes, sir.
सर कोड सर दिखा दे सर न्यू पोस्ट का कोड.
कौन सा कोड?
सर न्यू पोस्ट. So count post. Count post.
इसमें कुछ चेंज नहीं है भाई.
अच्छा सेम है.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay sir. Done.
Clear?
Yes sir, clear.
One second. One second. One second. Okay guys, we'll go to a new topic. Okay, so far these are the, I can say these are the basics of entire React guys. I think you are quite clear, right? Yes.
yes, sir.
We have done enough small projects to explain all the things. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, now we have not written difference between functional components and class-based components, right?
We did, sir. We wrote, sir, yesterday.
So
That is only for props and state, right?
I guess we have written it.
No, sir. Functional and this. I guess we did, sir.
Okay, 1 second. Hello. Hello. ఏం నార్మల్ గా నేను చేసిన నేను క్లాస్ లో ఉన్నా 11:20 తర్వాత వేయనా 11 తర్వాత వేయనా యా హలో ఓకే సో I forgot what I'm saying.
They're
Well,
asking if
that's
we wrote the difference or what, sir. So
we have written.
Okay.
Right.
Now it's suffocating here. Okay, let me create one class and I will name that as a
Not shared.
Hey, don't beat guys, I will share.
No, sir, it's
All
not.
of you are nowadays sounding like Putin, giving warnings. So let me create a normal component. So now I will go with the what is that stupid thing? Class-based components. Okay. Import React. Okay. Class outer extends React dot component. Okay. And export default. Okay, so the topics which we are discussing now, no, they are very good in the in the context of interview. Okay, guys, you there with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I can explain you that theoretically, but I don't think a theoretical explanation gives enough understanding about this life cycle methods for you. So I will extend this to tomorrow also, so we can understand slowly. Okay, so something we have like this.
Mounting,
Yeah, we are mounting.
uploading, लाइफ साइकिल बनेगा खत्म होगा.
See, now you can see this diagram, right? Hello.
Yes, mounting, updating, and mounting.
yes, sir.
So, say me one thing. So, what is actually a virtual DOM?
It is a duplicate
Copy
of real DOM.
real DOM.
It's a copy of real DOM which lacks the functionality to paste or update something in the web browser, right? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What it will do actually? So, it will check for the DOM and virtual DOM, and if it finds any new element, it will give to the new DOM and it will add it, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
And at the same time, if there is change in that element, it will update that element, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
And even if you remove that element, it will remove that, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So in React, there are three phases. Okay, we can say there are three phases. One is mounting, one is updating, and other one is unmounting. Okay, mounting is a process where we will add a component or component to the existing DOM. Okay, clear? And
Yes, sir.
updating is the phase where we update our existing component. Okay, and unmounting is the phase where we are going to remove the DOM elements. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
See, we have three phases in any React. Okay, one is mounting, one is updating, and other one is unmounted. Okay, mounting is something like we are adding component into a DOM. Okay, updating is something that we are updating something in the component. Okay, unmounting is something like we are unmounting something. Okay, now let us take example. Okay, we have list of products. Okay, right?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Okay, so now let us take this example is our previous one. Okay, that suffice. I think that will give entire this thing for us. See, now what we have done over here. See, when I this one won't work. Sorry. Okay. Okay, so let us assume like we have two buttons. A is like add component, B is like remove component. Our component name is the product component. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
So these three are different components. Okay, so when what I said, we have three phases: mounting, unmounting, and updating. Okay, so mounting phase is one. Initially we are loading these all components, right? Yes.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Components will be mounted to the DOM, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
And whenever I click remove this component, this will be removed, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So it will be removing this component. So we call this as a unmounting. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And if there is some another one button which is updating something in the DOM or rendering this product DOM, so we call this as a updating. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we'll see three of these practically now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here is this diagram. So in mounting, updating, and unmounting, so these are the different kinds of functions. Okay, constructor, render. Okay, component did mount, component did update, component will unmount. Okay, should component update, and there are also two other things: get snapshot and get previous state something. Two other extra methods are also there. Okay, we'll see all the methods one by one, but the important things are constructor, renderer, component did mount, component did update, and component will unmount. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir. So your screen is not shared, sir.
Okay. Now we'll create one project. I created counter.js. Okay. Okay. So in mounting phase, okay, in mounting phase, three things together. Fourth, what?
Your screen, sir.
Okay. So in mounting phase, four things will play the crucial role. Okay. These methods which we are using now, they are by default they will be coming with the component of the React. That's the reason they are called as a life cycle methods of a component. Okay. Four methods will be coming under the mounting phase. What are those? Constructor, renderer, get derived state from the props, and component did mount. Okay, these four methods will be coming under the mounting phase. Okay, clear? And we have unmounting. What is that? What is the next one? Unmounting, right? So component will unmount. This will be coming under the what? This will be coming under unmounting phase, right? Name itself clear, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And in updating phase, we have five things: get derived state props, should component update, render, get snapshot before update, and component did update. Okay, so these are 5 plus 1 plus 4. So something will be there, two things will be common in that. So somewhere around, I guess we have 8 to 9 life cycle methods. Okay, clear? Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We'll start with basic one, okay, and we'll go into advanced things tomorrow. And they have created one diagram now like this. Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
we'll create a similar diagram with our knowledge. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So in a class, first and foremost thing, what is loaded?
Constructor, sir.
Constructor, right? So constructor is taking props, method, per props, right? Sorry. Okay. Here I do log right from constructor. Okay, to differentiate this, log keep. Okay, clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, what it will be having? Render method, right?
Yes, sir. Return.
Return, right? Right? Yes. So inside render method, I will come. Console.log okay. Console.log. What I'll do, I'll go to my app.js. I'll replace that in index.js, okay? So that you won't be confused. So now, if I see, you can see high from the counter, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see what is the first method triggered over here.
Constructor.
Constructor.
Next method,
Render.
Render.
render, right? So every time you remember, whenever a component is mounted, first and foremost thing, the class associated with this, it will be called. So what will be the first method called in any class? A constructor, right?
Constructor.
Yes. So immediately after that, we will be rendering the view of that component. So first method is constructor and second method is renderer, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Hello.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now, one second. Okay. Let me write another one. So we are going to discuss the first component. Okay. Component
Did mount.
Let me create a console statement. Component console.log. So now can you say the order how it will be coming?
Constructor, render,
I
and
from
did mount.
constructor. Okay.
See. See, high from the constructor, from renderer method, and from component did mount, right? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So what is the first method which is called after a constructor is loaded? other than constructor and renderer? Sorry, class is loaded or a component is loaded in this web page. Component did mount.
Did mount.
So the name itself clearly mentioned like the component, which is that counter component, is mounted on this web page. So that is the reason this function has been triggering, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So can anyone say in a practical way where we can use this method?
Like we can use the, after we can fetch API here. The
Yeah,
data.
that's great. Okay. See, for example, I want to load some dashboard products in my products in my dashboard in my application. Okay. So I cannot fetch those things in constructor, and I cannot fetch those things in renderer, as renderer will be called every time a DOM is updated, right? Yes. And have to call them only when the component is mounted in the initial page, or whenever my page is loaded the dashboard, right? Yes.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? So I can make my API call inside this component did mount, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Clear, guys? Understood?
Sir, but why is this happening, sir? This asynchronous behavior?
This is not asynchronous behavior. See, we have something called component, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Which we are implementing it, right, from React library.
Yes, sir.
All these are part of this component cycle, okay, life cycle. They are inbuilt methods, okay. They'll be working according to the flow which has been there in their library, okay.
Okay,
Clear?
sir.
Okay. Now, what I will do is, let me create a counter over here, okay. Create a state. Okay. Dot set state, and I can increase count, right?
+1.
+1, right? What happened? Right, or
Is
what?
dot state dot count, sir.
Okay. Right. So I'm updating my count, right? So I will display that over here. Let us see that. So now I can increase this, right? Yes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here what I'm doing, I'm updating my component here, right? Yes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I can check that update method right here, whether it's triggering when I'm updating or not. Okay. Now you will understand. Okay, so I'm reloading my application first. Okay, so what will be rendered first? Constructor, renderer method, and component is mounted, and so you will be getting from component did mount, right? Yes. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let me increase the count. So if I increase the count, you see my component is updated, right? So it is triggering the renderer method as my component is updated, and when after component is updated, you can see this, right? Updated the component from component did update, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys, you are able to follow the flow?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
See,
sir.
first and foremost thing is like we have empty application over here. Okay, and if you see, I said constructor will be loaded first. After that, renderer method will be loaded first, and component did mount will be loaded only once when component is mounted into the application, right? Yes. Yes. So component did update, it will be loaded whenever we are updating the component, right? Yes.
Yes.
So
Yes,
we'll
sir.
see that practically once again. Okay, let me clear this. Okay, if you refresh, so hi from constructor, from renderer method, and once component did mount is loaded, right? It's clear. And whenever I'm increasing this, my DOM is changed. So automatically renderer method will be triggered, and after that component is updated, right? So immediately update component from my component did update method will be filed after component is updated, right?
Right.
Yes, sir. Sir, update again, sir.
If you update again renderer and component did update
Okay, sir.
again. See what is the difference you are seeing over here? Component, see, constructor will be loaded only once, right?
Yes, sir.
And from component did mount, I mean like component did mount will be there only when component is mounted into the application, right?
Right.
So render and update component did update will be loaded whenever we change the way we update something in our component, right?
Right.
Yes, sir.
Can we continue, guys?
Yes, sir. We should.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Sorry.
No, sir. Stop.
Okay, so we go with one basic method we will go, and then we will check all the things tomorrow. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the next one?
Delete, sir.
Yeah, component tree.
Unmount.
Okay. Console.log. Remove.
So there is a method like we check the previous and
Yeah. That is
Next.
there. I kept it for tomorrow. Okay.
okay. What's its name, sir? I forgot the name.
Should something like should the previous
Yes,
state
yes. Should
should component update.
Yeah, should component update.
Yeah. So it will be basically checking whether if there is change in any props you want to update or not.
Yes.
Okay. Get derived state. It will be helping us to change the update the state from our props.
Correct.
Okay, we'll do that. We will do that one also. Okay, I won't use this kind of complicated topics that is. Okay, so now what I want to do is I'll go to this app.js. Okay, we are having this in index.js, right? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I'll create one button. Okay. Okay. Clear? Disabled. Disabled I kept as a false. Okay. Click. I'll create a method. Okay, which will change okay. Why is status? Why? Okay, it cannot be called here. We'll create another one component. I name that as a 2.8. Okay. To okay. Okay. Here I will import my okay. index.js okay. So I have my button over here. Okay, and I'll keep const.
You already have it over there, sir. In index.
X. I'll remove this one. I'll remove this one. Okay. If you see, my button is there, right? So I'm increase, but my button is not doing anything, right? So now, if I come to my counter, app2.js, okay, I'll keep this as a disabled, and I'll create a there is no, I write here itself. Okay. Set disable, okay. Disable is equal to okay. Should not be here. Okay. So now, if you see, initially my component is not loaded, right? Yes. So I will change this to add counter, not right. Yes or no? Right.
Yes, yes, sir.
So when I add my component, what are the methods should be loaded?
Constructor, render, and did mount.
Okay. Now you see constructor, render, and did mount, right? And whenever I'm increasing, right?
Update.
So render and update, all those things will be firing continuous, right? Yes.
Yes.
And see this add counter is there. No, I'm toggling that. Basically, toggling is nothing but I'm removing this one, right? Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if I click add counter, it is removed. And if you see component is removed and I am from component will unmount, right? Yes.
Oh, yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
it is called immediately when a component is removed, right?
Right.
Yes, sir.
Got it? So we have discussed the basic things. Okay.
So for this last thing, can you just show the flow of code once, sir?
So nothing in app.2js, I created one more button which will be just enabling and disabling the showing of my counter. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That's it. Okay. So whenever I disable that one, component will be removed. No. So automatically the component will unmount method will be called. Okay. So now you see by default component is not there. So nothing has been loaded over here. Right.
Yes, sir.
So whenever I add it, so basic three methods are loaded: constructor, render, and component did mount, right? And whenever I increase, so render method is updated, and after updating the component, update is there. When I remove this component, see component is removed from, right? And
Okay, sir.
component will unmount. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay, I think it's already late. People are already scolding me, I guess. Let me create the MCQ.
Sir, are you pushing all this code on GitHub, sir?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, yes.
The repository name?
Push here, I'll push it today.
Okay, sir.
But this time I am keeping everything in one folder. Don't worry. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
MCQ is given.
Yeah, yes, I'm giving MCQ. Only one MCQ I give. I'm creating attendance. Okay. Everyone understood? Ankit, Uday, Ali.
Yes, sir.
Mastan,
Yes, sir.
Mastan, Praveen, Fazal Khan, Uday Prakash.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Naresh, you understood?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
I will discuss quite deep. Okay. Don't worry.
Done, sir.
Okay, guys. So, any doubts? Guys, I created attendance also. For everyone received that attendance?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Understanding, guys? I'm not going fast, right?
No, sir.
No, sir. Understanding, sir.
Naresh, you understood components?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
So we'll be discussing some advanced things in tomorrow's class, okay?
Okay, it will be fine, sir.
And we'll be also checking at which point of time we have to use which methods.
Yes, sir. It is very important. Like.
Yeah.
the functionality or the use case of it.
So everything clear, guys? Noel,
Yes, sir.
understood? Noel?
Yes, sir.
So initially it might take some time, but rewatch the class.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. Uday, understood?
Yes, I did.
Okay, guys. Ankit?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you wind up the session?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Good night.
Good night.